Hi, my name is Maria Bison. This presentation is narrated for George Mason University Health Administration and Policy 709, organized by Dr. Farouk Alimi. Today I'm going to be talking about query optimization. SQL query performance is the fundamental aspect of modern database maintenance and development. Query optimization is a vital mechanism for improving the performance of your database management. If you plan to write SQL codes, you are going to need to make it run faster and efficiently. Large data sets and inefficient coding can cause two bottlenecks and poor performance. There are several causes for the SQL Server to perform poorly. For this presentation, I am only going to focus on the three main causing factors. Number one, insufficient or inaccurate indexing. Insufficient indexing is the biggest performance killers in SQL Server. Without proper indexing for a query, the SQL Server has to retrieve and process much more data while executing the query. This causes high amount of stress on the disk, memory, CPU, and increase the execution time significantly. Number two, improper query design. In other words, the effectiveness of the performance depends on the way you write your queries. Retrieving excessive large number of rows from a table that returns a larger result can increase execution time and cause blocking. Number three, inappropriate design. A database should be adequately designed. Under-normalization will give you duplicate result, while over-normalization increases the complexity of joins. Having too many joins can be confusing and complex. There are several ways to optimize your queries. First, reduce your data by removing duplicates. Before performing your analysis, make sure you remove duplicates first to avoid skewed results. Another way to optimize your queries is to create an index. Here, I am going to show you the steps on how to create an index. First, choose the database you want to work on. Second, click on the table. Then right-click on the indexes. Click on the clustered index, then click on Unique. Click on the box ICD-9, ID, and age at diagnosis, and then click OK. Once you click the box ICD-9, ID, and age at diagnosis, click OK to save it. Here you will see the index that you just created. You can rename your index whatever you like that will be easy for you to remember. Once you created the index, you can check the code on the indexes. Right-click on the index, click on the script, click on the create, and then save the code to any file you want. Here, it stores the code automatically. You won't have to write the code over and over, unless if you want to drop it or delete it. By creating the indexes, the code will be a lot faster to join it with another query, thus optimizing your query performance. The second benefit for indexing queries is to maintain uniqueness of the index. This is the sample code for creating an index. Thank you for listening, and here are my references.